ACI is really a community. It's really more than a membership. It's a community of individuals, a community of companies where there's just robust dialogue.
ACI is the industry body that represents all of us in the cleaning industry, whether it's manufacturers of products that face consumers, the upstream suppliers, and even ingredients that go into the cleaning products.
ACI delivers great value for Ecolab. They're one of the key trade associations that help defend cleaning product ingredients through regulations at the federal and state level, as well as connect both manufacturers and formulators in the process of defending these ingredients and supplying good data to regulators.
As a company that's really focused on long-term growth, we find ACI's dedication to advancing consumer understanding and trust in the safety and the benefits of our products to be incredibly important.
For us as P&G, the industry body gives us a place where we can work with the entire supply chain, the value stream, to deal with challenges that are facing the industry, as well as take advantage of opportunities that we can work together to solve.
You've seen the evolution of clean throughout the United States and throughout the world, and how it impacts each and every person on a daily basis. Cleaning products are vital to protecting public health.
Collectively, I think we as an organization are focused on leading the change for a cleaner, greener planet. Our environmental stewardship initiatives define us as an industry.
There just aren't many groups out there that are advocating on behalf of all of us in the industry who are doing things ultimately to serve the consumer with safe, natural, and innovative solutions